Time to box it up. Guess I forgot this. What a shame. I wonder. I wonder.
This freaking guy. Hello?
Justin?
Hey Adam, what's up? Just finishing up this last call. Got any more calls?
Nope. That should be it for today. No more calls.
Alright. Good deal. What's up?
I don't know. I just have this crazy idea. I don't know if it's gonna work out or not, but do you think what do you think Joe and Bill would say about trying to get the group back together and start doing some shows on our own channel?
Yeah, I think they'd be down. Let's do it. Alright, what do you want me to do?
Why don't you give Joe a call?
Alright, I'll call Joe. Alright, bye.
Just calling me, man. Hello?
Hey Joe, it's Justin.
Billy? Billy Ray Cyrus?
Billy Ray Cyrus? What the hell are you talking about? It's Justin.
Oh, Justin, what's up, man?
Have you heard from Adam yet?
No, I didn't hear.
We're putting the show back together.
You serious?
Dead serious. You game for it?
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, of course, man.
Good deal. Alright. Alright, I'll talk to you soon. Alright, bye.
Alright, man. We'll talk to you soon. Alright. Wow. I gotta call Bill, man. Adam, Justin, Bill. We're back. Oh, this is good shit. Call Bill. This is easy. Yo, Bill.
What a shame. What a shame. What a shame. Man, I'm gonna miss you guys. It was a great show while it lasted. Who the hell's calling me now? Hello?
Did you hear?
Who's this?
Bill.
Oh, hey, what's up, Joe?
I can't believe it, man. You guys see this shit. You guys see this shit, man. I can't believe the news, man. Wow. It's awesome. I can't believe it, dude.
No, wait. Calm down. I can't understand you. You know I don't speak Canadian, Joe. Nobody knows how far a kilometer is. Now, what'd you say?
Sorry. The band's getting back together, dude.
Wait. Are you being serious right now? The band's getting back together?
Yeah.
No way. Dude, that's fantastic. That's the best news I've heard all day.
Yeah, man.
Awesome. No, that's alright. I'll call Yamo. I'll call Yamo right now. Hey, I'll talk to you soon, man.
Alright, man. We'll talk to you soon. Later. Yeah, man. Time to celebrate. Let's get out of here. We got Chicago, Detroit, Canada. Oh, back together, man. I gotta get out of here. This one stick here. I'll tie this up later, man. Just put that here for now.
Damn, the band's getting back together. Let's call Yamo. 3, 6, 8, 4, 6, 1, 4, 1, 3, 8, 5, 5, 3, 6, 6, 8, 4, 6, 1, 1, 3. Yes, I want to be connected to Mexico. Let me speak to Yamo. Oh, I gotta dial more numbers. 2, 4, 4, 3, 3. I hate calling Mexico. 4, 3.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Turn the music down. Turn the music down, Yamo.
What?
Yamo, the band. Yamo, the.
What? Come on!
Yeah, the show's back on. Yamo, turn the music down. Yamo, never mind. We'll see you guys on Friday.